Today I'm in my favorite neighborhood in Arlington, Texas. It's a master planned community called Viridian, and it has everything you can imagine. Viridian, it's smack dab in the middle of the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and it's a new upscale master planned community. I had a client that chose Viridian because it is beautiful, but also because of the location. So the husband worked in Fort Worth, the wife worked in downtown Dallas, and Viridian was the best option for a short commute for both of them. And it's located just 20 minutes south of the DFW International Airport and is in the city limits of Arlington, Texas. It's beautifully designed with a variety of housing. This 2,000-acre community, it features an array of amenities. Some of the amenities are multiple pools, sports courts, beautiful Lake Viridian, there's walking trails, a little beach area. You can do kayaking, paddle boats, and many others. I've sold many homes out here in Viridian, and one thing I love is that you can get a condo, a townhome, you can rent an apartment, you can get a single family home. There are 55 plus active adult homes, and there are luxury homes here in Viridian. It can match just about anyone's lifestyle. The size of homes in Viridian range from 1,300 square feet on up to 5,400 square feet. Home prices in the Viridian start at $479,000 and go up to $1.8 million, with the median at $595,000. Most single homes are in the traditional or Tudor style, and they were built between 2012 and really about 2019, although there are still some new homes being built there. There are also some townhomes within the community for lower maintenance lifestyles. A couple of my favorite builders here in Viridian are Dries and David Weekly. There are several builders here. Choose or build your new home. And by the way, my name is Dana Pollard, and my job is to help you find the best community, neighborhood, and home available for your family. So if you are looking at moving to Texas or want a home in Viridian, Arlington, or any part of DFW, then fill out the Dream Home questionnaire in the link below and schedule a one-on-one Zoom consultation with one of my most amazing agents who are also experienced in new home construction. Guess what? There's an island here in Viridian. Let me show you what it looks like on the other side. Viridian also has a 55 plus active adult community, and it's called Viridian Elements. So I'm telling you, there's something for everyone here. And just real quick, I had mentioned that there is still a little bit of construction going on with new homes. What I love about Viridian is that it's toward the end of new home building, which means if you move in now, you don't have to deal with all that construction for as long as those newbies, or newbie to the community, what they had to deal with. All right, let's get it out of the way. Let's talk about HOA fees. They can be a little pricey, but I think it's well worth it with all of the amenities you get and the beautiful scenery, but they can range depending on your section, anywhere from $245 a quarter to $835 a quarter. Viridian has a very active lifestyle here. As we drive through the community, we saw many people walking their dogs, jogging. We saw people at the beach, and they're just experiencing the outdoors. The Viridian Sailing Center, it's a very popular spot, and it's even open to non-residents for a small fee. Also, there are no motorized watercraft, so it's very relaxing and it's not near as loud. Now, one thing I have to mention about Viridian that always just gets everyone up in a huff and puff, which the residents don't seem to mind, is that next across the street from Viridian is a landfill. Yes, you heard that right. A landfill is across the street. I did get some footage of that so you can see what it looks like. The residents are like, no one cares. The city has neutralized the landfill's effects with a vapor system and the developers added new roads to direct traffic from away from the landfill. You really can't smell anything when you're driving or walking along the community. We were out there, smelled nothing. And I know schools are important to many of you, and what's interesting is even though Viridian is in the city of Arlington, the schools, the public schools, actually go to HEB ISD, which is called Hurst Euless Bedford. And Hurst Euless Bedford as a district ranks in the top 15% of schools in Texas. There is an elementary school on site, which makes it very convenient. Also, right across the street from Viridian is a new shopping center. They have coffee shops, they have restaurants, they have med spa. I'm just trying to think of all the things at the top of my head, but some convenient things right across the street. Also down the street is River Legacy Park, which is the beautiful, heavily treed area with biking trails, hiking trails, and the kayaking river canal for your paddle sports. So if you are looking for fun in the sun, a relaxing lifestyle, something convenient to Dallas and Fort Worth, you may just love Viridian. So if you're looking at buying a home in Viridian or all of Dallas, Fort Worth, or even Texas, fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire in the link below to schedule your one-on-one Zoom consultation with one of my most amazing agents. We are very familiar with Viridian and the surrounding cities.